Once upon a time, in the heart of a vast forest, lived a graceful swan named Swift. Known for her agility and elegance, Swift was admired by all the creatures in the forest. One day, as Swift was gliding effortlessly across the crystal-clear lake, she noticed a young girl standing by the shore, her eyes filled with sorrow. A deep sense of empathy washed over Swift, and she approached the girl. "Why do you look so sad, little one?" Swift asked, her voice as gentle as the rustling leaves. The girl looked up at Swift, her eyes shining with unshed tears. "I can't dance like the other girls," she whispered. "They laugh at me, and I feel so alone." Swift, understanding the girl's pain, decided to help. She asked the girl to follow her to the heart of the forest, where no one could see or hear them. Once they arrived, Swift taught the girl a dance as swift and graceful as the wind itself. The girl danced with all her heart, her movements mirroring Swift's. As they danced, the forest seemed to come alive, the trees swaying in rhythm, the birds singing a melody, and the wind whispering their approval. The girl danced with a joy she had never felt before, and her smile was as radiant as the sun. Swift looked at the girl, her heart swelling with pride. "You see, my dear, you don't need to dance like others. You just need to dance with all your heart, and you will shine brighter than anyone else." The girl, her eyes shining with newfound confidence, thanked Swift and left the forest, her heart light as a feather. From that day forward, she danced with joy and grace, her unique style setting her apart, not making her feel alone. And swift, she continued to glide through the forest, her heart filled with the joy of helping another being. She was Swift, the graceful swan, not just known for her agility and elegance, but also for her compassion and wisdom. In the end, the story of Swift serves as a reminder that we are all unique, and it is our uniqueness that makes us shine. We don't need to conform to the norms set by others, but to embrace our individuality and dance to our own rhythm.